everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to host a website that is completely free of cost on GitHub pages. So there's a lot discussion on the website hosting, and if you are making any website, particularly study website, and you want to host it, so we need some space, some server on which we need to host it, and everybody can access, right? For that, we need to spend some money, right, to acquire the server cost. If you want to host it on the cloud space we need to take, right? So how we can host a website completely free of cost, and this for static HTML websites where actually we are providing the information, knowledgeable websites, learning platforms, how we can host these things on the GitHub free of cost. So for that, what we need a GitHub account. So first we'll create a GitHub account. If you don't have, uh, I'll just tell you the link, and you can just go and you can sign up there with your Gmail or any social media account. Then we need to create GitHub repository there, that we'll see uh, in very uh, in a minute we'll see. And then we have to push our website code to our repository. We have to add our website code to repository. They from where actually uh, we can access the website code, right? And then at last we'll host our website on GitHub pages. So GitHub pages is a feature that is provided by the GitHub um, website, right? So let's see how this thing works. So first create GitHub account. So let's go to GitHub, uh, and let's see how we can do that. So GitHub repository, GitHub platform link is github.com. If you go there and if you have account, it will directly open. Otherwise it will ask you to sign up. That you can do. It's a simple process to create an account. Then we need to create a new repository. So let's create a new repository. Click on new, uh, owner name, it will appear automatically. Then uh, let's see, I'm giving the repository name host website, or let's say first website, right? Description is optional. I'm making it public. I'm adding a readme file. Everything looks fine. Then I'll create a repository. So what it will do, it will create a repository, and you can see, I can see here it has already created the readme file. Now I need a website code. Definitely we should be having that code, website code, so that we just need to publish it. So let's take a sample code from the Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is a site from where actually we can get all the sample code of any static or dynamic website. So let's take this example first one, and I'll do this, the free download. We have that option, so it has already downloaded, right? Let me open it. Okay, I'll extract that here. Yep, we got the code. Yeah, this is the code, right? This is the website code that we got. Now, how to proceed further? We need to push our code here in the repository. How to do that? To do that, we need to first clone it. So you can click on code here and just copy this link and go to any folder in which you want to clone the repo. In my case, I'm just going to the VS code and I'm just cloning this repo, right? Simple command git clone. See, it's cloning first website into my directory, and if you see here, it has already cloned that, uh, right? Let me open it in my IDE. Yes, yes, it has opened first website. So I will add the code, whatever I have downloaded from Bootstrap site here. Let me add that code. So that is in download section. Append. Yeps. We go to my code. Yes, it's added, right? See, it has added. It has added everything. Now I need to commit it. So I'll write first commit and I'll commit it. Will commit to my local and stays it, and it will push it as well to my repo. So let's see. Once it will complete, we can see those changes reflected on the site. Yep, it's done. We'll go here. Now nothing is there, but once we refresh, yeah, my code should appear here. So uh, we are good till here. We have everything in our Git repository. Now we have to go to settings. Settings, we have pages, right? You can see here. Okay, under pages, we go. We'll have these options, build and deployment. So we'll deploy from a branch, from the main branch, and if we select docs, so we need to provide custom domain, but we'll do it from root. We don't need to do anything. And once you will select, you'll see that this URL appears here, and this is a public URL. So if I click on it or this widget site link, it will open my website. See, so our website is up and running. You can access this link anytime. You can see whether the website is working or not. So that's how actually utilizing the pages, GitHub pages, we can host a static website, and you can save a lot of cost. You can showcase your static website to other teammates, to your peers. If you are studying, you can showcase these things as a your project work. Okay. uh, thank you so much, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you like it or not, or anything else you want me to record, any other topic. If you want, I'll definitely record video and share the knowledge with you guys. Thank you so much.